Okay, let's talk about how to solve a basic equation. So, given y plus 7 equals negative 15, what do I need to do with the plus 7? Well, again, remember the goal is to get y by itself. So in order to get y by itself, I need to move the 7. Okay, what does moving the 7 mean? Well, moving the 7 means I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. Okay, so why do I subtract 7? Well, over here we're going to get y plus 0, and on the other side we're going to get negative 22. Okay, what happens then? Well, if you have y plus 0, that's the same thing as saying just y, so y is equal to negative 22. Now, usually when we go through a question like this, we just simply, I'm going to write it again very quickly, we just take the problem and we just say subtract 7, and the answer becomes y is equal to negative 22. That's usually how we approach it. We skip this middle step here because after you realize that you get a 0 there, you usually don't write it. The other thing that was really a big issue on this was that many of y'all, this action right here of subtracting, many of y'all ended up putting 7 or you wrote 8. Essentially you subtracted incorrectly. So you need to make sure you pay attention to the signs, because the signs are the same. We're essentially adding and keeping the sign as negative. Those were the big mistakes that I saw in this question. So hopefully that makes sense if you had issues on this, and I'll see you on the next video.